Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit a category icon in Spendee. All right, you actually have two options. So first up, go ahead over to your timeline, tap on the plus sign. Now, when you are on this section where it asks you to select a category, just basically click on or tap on the gear icon like so. Now, once done, select the specific category. Okay. For example, I have here a custom category, game skins. So all I'm going to do is just tap on it. Now in here, we now have the category color option and the category icon option as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select maybe this color, orange. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the category icon right here. Maybe this one, okay? The Play Store icon. So I'm going to tap on Save Changes. And after that, you should be good to go. Another option is by going to the More section from your dashboard right here. Tap on More, tap on Categories, select the specific category. For example, food and drink, like so. Select the new icon and hit on Save Changes. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.